In this video, we will see the 4 type of view that are maintenance view. So let us look at what exactly maintenance views are. So a view that is created on 2 or more tables and using the inner join concept is known as maintenance view. Moreover, here we can maintain the data and read the data both. Maintenance view should not be created on standard tables since it creates data inconsistency problem and when we are changing the records. So here we are only using on the basis of custom table. So let us look at the steps to create maintenance view. First we have to go to SE11 and then we have to select the radio button view. Then from there we have to give the name as some meaningful name. Suppose we are giving it ZMAIN view 1 and then we have to click on create button. And then we have to select our maintenance view from the pop-up and then we have to click on copy button. Then we have to provide a short description and then we have to provide our table name. So in this case we are using Mara table and MAKT table. Then we have to press enter and then we have to click on relationship button and click on copy button. Then a join condition will be automatically proposed by a system. Then we have to click on the table fields button and select Mara. And then we have to click choose button and select all the fields and at the last we have to click on copy button. So similarly we have to do for the MAKT table and select our required fields. Then there would be another tab that is selection condition tab and we have to provide our conditions here. So here we can see this is the selection condition tab. So here we are providing our condition. There are some comparison values we are using, for example here, and then there is maintenance status tab. Just besides to selection condition there is maintenance status tab. Here we have to provide the radio button read, change, delete and insert, and similarly we have to provide a Delve class and data browser maintenance view allowed. Then we have to click on save, check and activate, and at the last we have to go to table maintenance generator, which can be accessed through utilities and then table maintenance generator. So here this is the screen for table maintenance generator. Here we are providing details. So this particular detail, that is authorization group, this we have to provide. Moreover, we have to provide the maintenance type as one step and then we have to provide the overview screen, that is 1. And when this is done we have to create it and save it, and at the last we have to go to SM30. So here we have to provide our view name that we have created and we have to click on maintain button. So this way we have created our maintenance view, and in the next video we will see more about data elements in ABAP dictionary.